Jai Hind student, welcome to biology class. Now students, we will continue the discussion of important questions, and in this lecture we will see some more important questions. Now let's start. Describe the individual with the following chromosome abnormalities. Now here are the few abnormalities is given, and now we have to describe it. Now the first abnormality is trisomy at chromosome number 21. Now trisomy results in an autosomal linked genetic disorder, that is the Down syndrome. I hope you all remember. Now this individual exhibit the following characteristic. यहाँ पे ट्राइसोमी मीन्स होता है एक एडिशनल और क्रोमोसोम जुड़ जाता है. ओके, सो एट क्रोमोसोम नंबर 21. सो व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? दैट इज प्रोट्रूडिंग टंग, राउंड हेड, slanting eyes, short height, open mouth, short neck, mental retardation, underdeveloped genitals and gonads. So these are the few symptoms of trisomy. Next XXY. Now these are the line filters syndrome. That is the presence of additional copy of X chromosome. एक और X chromosome होता है. Okay, so that syndrome is your line filter, and the characteristic are the male individual possess feminine characteristic. Okay, due to the presence of extra X chromosome. Development of breast in males. Males is sterile, poor beard growth and feminine voice. Now next is XO. Now here you can see there is a loss of X chromosome. Okay, that result in Turner syndrome. Now here you will see the females, they are sterile, ovaries are immature, webbed neck, thorax is shield shape, underdeveloped breast, puffy fingers, short height, uterus is small. So this is the characteristic of Turner syndrome that results in loss of one X chromosome. Now question number 2, define autosome, hemizygous, homozygous and heterozygous. Now autosomes, all the chromosomes except the sex chromosome, they are known as autosomes, and the number of autosomes is differ from one organism to another. For example, in case of human there are 44 autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. Okay, that makes up 46 chromosome. Next, hemizygous. It is the condition in which an organism has only one copy of gene or DNA sequence present in diploid cell. Okay, only one copy of gene or DNA sequence present in diploid cell, that is hemizygous. Homozygous, it is the condition in which an organism has two similar genes of a given, two similar alleles of a given gene. For example, XX or YY. Okay, TT. Next, heterozygous, in this condition in which an organism has two different alleles of a given gene. Next, why is color blind more prominent in males than females? The reason is because color blind is a sex linked disorder. Okay, and genes responsible, they are present on the X chromosome. So in order to become affected by the disease, female should possess the alleles for color blind ऑन बोथ द एक्स क्रोमोसोम, क्योंकि फीमेल में 2 एक्स क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं, तो अगर फीमेल अफेक्टेड होगा तो दोनों ही एक्स पे जो है डिजीज़ कंडीशन एलील्स होने चाहिए कलर ब्लाइंड के. ओके, पर इफ़ द एलील इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन ओनली वन क्रोमोसोम, तो फीमेल्स जो हैं दे विल बी कैरियर बट not the disease, they will be carrier of the disease. Or in case of male, as we know, there is only one X chromosome. So if that is if the gene, if the allele, if that carry the color blindness allele, so then the male will be affected in this case. So that's why it is more prone, it is more males are more affected, or you can say. Next, list out the characteristic of a chromosomal theory of inheritance. Now, the chromosome theory of inheritance, the characteristic are fertilization restore diploid condition. Always after fertilization, the chromosomes number will be fixed. Chromosomes segregate and assort independently. Homologous chromosomes are separate at the time of meiosis. Both chromosomes as well as gene exist in pairs within a diploid cell. Gametes contain only one chromosome of a particular type and only one of the two alleles of a character. Okay. Next, question number 5. A color-blind father has a daughter with normal vision. The daughter marries a man with a normal vision. What is the probability of her children to be colorblind? Explain with the help of pedigree chart. Now here you can see. So here you can see the daughter, that is the daughter with normal vision, and it marries with a normal vision male. Okay, daughter marries a man with a normal vision and daughter has a normal vision. Now what is the probability of her children to colorblind? Now here you can see 50% of daughter are carrier while 50% have a normal vision. 50% of son are diseased while 50% have normal vision. Now here you can see now this. Okay, so just wait. Yes, here you can see 50% जो है normal होंगे but they will be carrier. Okay, females, अगर female है, males will be color blind. और here you can see now this is the disease, this is they are normal, females are normal but carrier, but here males are color blind. Here you can see normal male है and normal female है. So 50% will be normal male and color blind, and 50% will be normal female and carrier of the disease. Okay, so these are the few questions. This is all, student. Thank you everyone.